To redeem your BPI credit card points, start by checking your available points balance. You can do this by logging into your BPI Express online account or through the BPI mobile app. Once you have confirmed your points balance, browse the BPI Rewards catalog to choose your desired reward. The catalog offers a wide range of gift items, travel packages, and other privileges. Next, select the reward you want to redeem and check the required points. Make sure you have enough points to redeem your chosen reward. If you have sufficient points, proceed to the redemption process. You can redeem your points online through the BPI website or mobile app, or by calling the BPI customer service hotline. When redeeming online, simply log into your account, select the reward you want, and confirm your redemption. You will receive a confirmation email or SMS once your redemption is successful. If you prefer to redeem through the hotline, provide your credit card details and the reward code of your chosen item to the customer service representative. After redemption, allow 5 to 7 working days for the processing and delivery of your reward. For items that require pickup, you will receive an email with the details of the pickup location and schedule. To get the most out of your BPI credit card points, remember to regularly check your points balance and redeem your points before they expire. It is also a good idea to plan your redemptions in advance, especially for popular rewards that may have limited availability. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily redeem your BPI credit card points and enjoy the rewards you deserve. Always review the terms and conditions of the BPI Rewards program to ensure you understand the redemption process and any applicable fees or charges.